Skullcandy has just dropped a game changer in the wireless earbud market, the Method 360 ANC. But here's the twist. They've teamed up with none other than audio giant Bose to deliver a truly premium sound experience. This partnership brings together Skullcandy's signature style with Bose's renowned sound expertise. With the Method 360 ANC, you're not just getting quality audio, you're getting a refined, Bose-Tuned experience. The earbuds feature ear tips inspired by Bose's Quiet Comfort series, known for their top-tier noise isolation. The Method 360 ANC is part of Bose's Sound by Bose platform, which lets other brands tap into Bose's world-class audio engineering. This includes products like the Motorola Moto Buds Plus, proving that cross-brand collaborations are becoming the future of tech. As for the earbuds themselves, they're packed with features designed to stand out in an already crowded market. Active noise cancellation, multi-point connectivity, custom EQ settings, and wear detection are just the start. Battery life is impressive too. Get up to 10 hours of listening on a single charge and an additional 40 hours with the charging case. Though, keep in mind, that's with ANC turned off. Need a quick boost? Just 10 minutes of charging gives you 2 hours of playback. The charging case isn't just practical, it's also versatile. With an O-ring for easy clipping to your bag or gear, it's designed to go wherever you go. And it comes in a variety of colors to match your style. For those who love to personalize their sound, the Method 360 ANC works seamlessly with the Skull IQ app. You can tweak the EQ, reprogram the buttons, and even adjust ANC modes to suit your needs. Comfort is key, and Skullcandy's ear tips, backed by Bose's technology, ensure a secure, ultra-comfortable fit, delivering superior noise isolation for an immersive listening experience. Right now, the Method 360 ANC is available at an introductory price of just $100. But hurry, this price won't last long. It'll soon rise to $130, so grab them while you can. Whether you're hitting the gym, commuting, or just enjoying your favorite playlist, the Method 360 ANC earbuds are designed to elevate your audio experience without breaking the bank. Skullcandy Method 360 ANC, premium sound, premium comfort, and premium tech, all at an unbeatable price.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.